Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to know if someone deleted their Snapchat account. So if you want to go ahead and try to see if your friend on Snapchat has already deleted their account, then you're onto the right guide. So for you to be able to get started with this, you'll just need to log in first onto your Snapchat. So once you're already here onto your Snapchat, just head onto your friend's profile. So you'll just need to go ahead and click onto chats for that and then locate your friend's name in there. So for example, this one, what you need to go ahead and try to see in there is this ghost icon in there. If that ghost icon is not showing already onto their account, then that simply means that that person is not using Snapchat anymore since that is their Snap score. So if that one is available, then that means your friend is still active on Snapchat. But if you don't see that icon anymore onto your friend's account, then they probably deleted their Snapchat account already. And that's just basically it onto how to know if someone deleted their Snapchat account. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.